Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. Dolls, I got my Glam Bag X from Ipsy and I figured we could do a makeup subscription box unboxing today. So here it is. This is actually my second attempt at receiving this box. There was a whole mix-up at my post office again. Well, I'm at a new post office now, but actually it went to my old post office where crazy AF things used to happen. Yeah, so it took a while to get here because they had to resend me the box. But anyway, guys, it's finally here. Oh, I just spotted something good from Murad. So can't wait to see what it is, guys. I feel like I haven't got an Ipsy box in the longest time. So I need my Ipsy fix. You know what I mean? I need my Ipsy fix. So, okay, right here is the full-size Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier SPF 45. Oh, okay, this is definitely something I am going to be using because I am so obsessed with that sunscreen. Also pore control and mattifying, and I've been so, you know, because it's so hot for most everybody, right? You know, but my face pretty much, you know, I gotta say my face doesn't get that oily, even though I am oily, but I use my setting spray, I use setting powder. My eyes, or what's the makeup on my eyes, the eyeliner, but I got a new eyeliner coming up. It's amazing. I gotta tell you guys, it's the Fenty Pro Longwear. That one does not budge, but my other ones were all melting. My lips melt off, my brows melt off. But, oh, and I got the new Benefit Brow Pencil, and that does not melt off. So my brows have actually been staying now since I got the new Benefit Pencil. And my lips were coming off, so I use the Colourpop. I'm going to do a whole video, guys, of this sweat-proof makeup because I found some good stuff. But anyway, let me keep it moving. So then here I have, they sent this nice size sample of Volkswagen Vital Boost Daily Moisturizer. And then here is a nice deluxe size sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, the original. And then here is a Bright Wave Kinship Bright Wave Energizing and Brightening Eye Cream. So, energy drink for tired eyes. That sounds really nice. My eyes are always tired. So, oh, look at this, beauties. Vagamas Rose Infused Lip Oil. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it right now. I'm obsessed with lip oil, and oh, there's two of them in here. Wow, and they're very big because so many lip oils come in these little bottles. I'm not sure, you know, I guess some of the ingredients are really expensive, so they make small bottles. Is that what it is? But these are very nice sized lip oils. But actually, these are red toned. I'm not sure. Well, this one's a little peachy. Let me try this one. Ooh, it feels really good. Very nice. Very nice. It feels really good. It's not that sticky, so that's always good. And it says it's rose infused. It doesn't have any, you know, flavor or scent to it, so that's great as well. And then here is a Sonage Collagen Boosting Serum. It says it's going to plump and smooth the fine lines, so it's pretty awesome. Guys, I don't see my bag in here. Usually there's a bag. You know, you get in the Glam Bag X, you get your extra goodies, and then you get your actual Glam Bag, the smaller bag. There's no bag in here. So, I'm not sure what that, maybe, I don't know. So, anyway, here is something from Item Beauty. I've been wanting to try Item Beauty. This is the Juice Boost Dual-Ended Lash Primer. So, beautiful packaging. Can't wait to try that. And then here is an eyeshadow palette from Chetti. Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette Limited Edition. Sounds very nice. You guys, I'm like, I'm just wondering now what happened, because like I said, something happened to the original box. And now this box is missing stuff. So, okay, isn't that pretty? Love blue and gold. Blue and this kind of neon yellow. Very pretty. What do you guys think? Do you like this palette? Beautiful colors. Beautiful brown shades. That would look really nice in the fall. I think those are really nice shades to bring into the fall. And then here is the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara. This mascara is so good. I know I've purchased it before and it's really, really good. So, and then is this it, guys? I think that's everything in here. Oh, and then we got a Prestige waterproof eyeliner. And I was just telling you, I need eyeliner. Now, I gotta tell you guys, I was using the KVD Beauty tattoo liner, which another strange situation. The first one I got a sample of was amazing. I went and bought it. It was a totally different product. It was totally different. totally different eyeliner, because the sample was very thin, very precise, micro. Then I bought it in store and it was regular, kind of like a kohl eyeliner. Anyway, it does not stay. It melts all over my eyes, and I can't stand that, because it will actually, I'll try to wear just a little tiny wing and it will wind up coming down my face. So that is not good. But I tried the Fenty Pro Longwear in store, and I should have bought it, but I said to myself, I have so many liners, you know, and I never expected. What happened was I tried it. I was out and about for hours in the heat and it didn't budge. That's when I was like, oh my God, and it looked perfect. So I'm going back in store to pick that up. But have you beauties tried this one from Prestige? It sounds really nice. I would love to try this. Should I try? You know what, because I got another package, because, you know, I just figured I'll open that one up too, because I didn't realize this box was gonna be, that was it. That was the whole box. That was, you know, that was the whole kit and caboodle. So, you know what, I got some other package. I got another package here. Should I just grab it? But guys, I'm going to be back because I'm going to do a video. I keep saying it and I never get to do it because I've been so busy with Roxy in and out the hospital. But, let me grab that other package. I'll be right back. So, beauties, I got this little package here from Colourpop. So I'm not sure what it is. I figure we'll open it together. But yeah, I want to come back and do, you know, because I have some special stuff. So I'm going to do like I used to do. I used to do a video where I showed you guys everything in the giveaway. I haven't done that. I've just been, you know, I've been doing like mysteries. But, you know, I want to come and show you everything because I have something special. So let's see what this is. This is from Colourpop. This is the graphic ink liner. And so they sent a whole bunch of these. And there's actually more. So that's really nice. Thank you so much, Colourpop. I got another package from Colourpop too. Very big. I'm going to open that so we can play with it, because there's definitely a lot to play with in the other one. Like, I'm not sure what it is, but it's very heavy. So I'm imagining, you know, there's maybe a palette or something we can play with. But in here, they sent these pretty stickers. Oh, I never seen neon stickers. So beautiful. And then all of the ink liners. So there's beautiful pastels, milk tea. Oh, that sounds nice. This is, oh, you know what? If this works for me though, let me try this. Then I won't need to purchase the Fenty. If this one works out for me, there's so many different colors. But I'll be back and we'll do, you know, maybe a colorful graphic liner look. But let me just try this. This one is a chocolatey shade. This one's called Milk Tea. So this is kind of like my everyday look. You know, I just like to wear a little bit of, can a girl wear a little bit of wing liner? Nobody say nothing? Okay. I don't know, guys. That Fenty was amazing. It was amazing. But this is beautiful packaging. It has little stars on it. It's kind of hard to see. And then here, oh, it's very, I like when it's very small like that. Or it's kind of like a pen. So you can really get it. Oh, this is nice because you could really get in. Like right now I'm putting it between my lashes and the faux lashes. And it's really getting in there good. In that little corner, those little crevices. So that's really nice. Let me see. Oh, it's doing this nicely, because a lot of times too, that when you do the liner in here to try to get that feline eye or whatnot, or just make your lashes look seamless, it just will, on me anyhow, it'll already start bleeding. Hopefully that doesn't happen. You know, it'll, you can see even the one I did earlier melted down into here. I don't know if you can see, but in real life you can see it, and I just don't like that. You know, oh look, did it get on me? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it's because it's so hot or what, but this makeup is just getting it's just not staying put. A lot of makeup for me. Yeah, this one for the tear duct already kind of did transfer. So, it was not the best idea, right, to try this right now, because it's like melted and it's already going down my, you know, going down towards my nose or whatnot, and I just, yeah, I'm not a fan of that. But, you know, I'm going to try these. Oh, let me try it like this. You know, like a little wing. I just love that little flick of winged liner kind of deal. It looks so nice. It's so effortless. I mean, it's so easy too. And then a lot of times you just go like that. Oh. And you just go blink. And it doesn't get in your hooding or anything, but it elongates your eyes and gives you, you know, bigger eyes. So I like that. Yeah, this is good for that. But this tear duct space, and I wasn't ready for that. It wasn't ready. She wasn't ready for that. Okay. Guys, this was fun. It's always fun with you guys. You guys are the fun. No, it's fun. It's fun unboxing. I love my Ipsy box. I'm kind of spoiled because I'm wondering what happened to the, you know, the bag. The bag is addicting, but well, you know, there's always some kind of beautiful bag inside, and where's the bag? It's all right. Anyway, beauties, did that happen to any of you beauties? Did it happen to any of you guys? Let me know down below if you've had that experience. Have you tried these Colourpop ink liners? Let me know down below. And like I said, I'm gonna be back hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll put it together. I'm not saying tomorrow it'll be ready to show you, but okay, let me let you guys go. I will have it very soon though, because I have something something special I want to share with you guys. That's for the giveaway. So anyway, tell me if I'll come back and we could do like, I liked when I used to show you everything in the giveaway. It was so much fun. I don't know why I stopped doing that. But anyway, I'll be back, guys. I hope you're all doing good. And I'll see you beauties very soon. Bye. Love you.